कुडोस टू यू, आपने माउंट एवरेस्ट समिट कर रखा है।
एंड इनफैक्ट जब मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एफर्ट लगा के कोई रील बनाती हूँ तो वो वायरल ही नहीं होती।
The algorithm.
तो आपकी कहानी फरहान से बहुत मिलती है थ्री इडियट्स वाली।
Yes.
This is me, Sanjeevni, and we at Tripoto are here today at the Hard Rock Cafe in New Delhi. We are going to have a discussion with Prakriti and Surya. And we will discuss about what's trending in travel and how you can be the next travel influencer. We are in conversation with Surya and Prakriti, and we will be talking about what's trending in travel currently. Let's skip to them and have a conversation with them. How are you both?
I am absolutely amazing.
And how are you, Surya?
Amazing.
कहाँ पर घूम कर आए आप लोग recently?
Kashmir.
Kashmir. And how was it? How was the weather?
It was amazing. It's beautiful.
Okay, perfect. And you?
I have been in Europe for like last one and a half month around. It's been amazing. बहुत खर्चा हुआ. But it was amazing.
So let's start the conversation. I have few questions lined up for both of you, ताकि जो भी हमारे viewers हैं उनको पता चले कि वो कैसे और travel कर सकते हैं, वो कैसे travel influencer बन सकते हैं, how can they earn from it. Let's start with the first question. How did you start your journey? And आपको क्या हमेशा से यही करना था?
For me, I didn't know what I wanted to do. I was very passionate about fashion from the beginning. Right after my graduation, I started working and it was a very hectic job. फिर पैसे थे तो I went on my first trip to Spiti. जब मैं पहली बार स्पीति गई, so it just felt so free. Like I was like, मैंने ये पहले क्यों नहीं किया? So I was one of the few people in India who were traveling solo. And it just felt what I wanted to do, even though it was not making me money at all initially, but it felt so me. And I kept traveling after I quit my job in about a year or so, and it was just meant for me, I think. So I don't know where I actually started, but this is how I started.
And like kudos to you, आपने Mount Everest summit कर रखा है. So how did you get into mountaineering? Like
7th 8th क्लास में जीके बुक में आता था माउंट एवरेस्ट इज द हाईएस्ट माउंटेन इन द वर्ल्ड. मैं वैसे रिपीट मोड में चलती थी, मैं एक दिन एवरेस्ट जाऊंगी, एक दिन मैं एवरेस्ट जाऊंगी. सो आई एंडेड अप इनटू हाइकिंग एंड देन व्हेन आई वाज हाइकिंग आई थॉट मे बी आई हैव टू गिव इट अ ट्राई वन डे. एंड या लाइक इन 2022 आई मैनेज्ड टू समिट द माउंटेन.
And what about you, Surya?
For me, like I love photography. And बचपन से ही शौक था कि अगर मैं यहाँ बैठी हूँ तो दूसरी जगह पे लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, आई वॉन्ट टू नो दैट. तो मेरे अंदर मतलब वो बचपन से ही ट्रैवल और फोटोग्राफी का कीड़ा था. सो माई फादर वॉज लाइक कि पहले अपनी स्टडीज़ कंप्लीट करो. सो आई हैव डन मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग.
ओह वाओ, तो आपकी कहानी फरहान से बहुत मिलती है थ्री इडियट्स वाली. तो आई थिंक सो आप दोनों की कहानी से ये तो पता चल रहा है कि बिलीव इन योर हार्ट एंड डू व्हाट योर कॉलिंग इज.
You will feel in your gut, I think.
That brings us to our next question, that you both have traveled so much. आपने बोला कि 2019 से travel कर रहे हो, 2015 से actually. So what is your favorite travel destination?
I wouldn't say I would tell my people to know about it, क्योंकि it's already been traveled so much and everybody knows about it, but it's so close to my heart, Spiti Valley. I've been there over 100 times and it's just so close to my heart and it's just so pure.
Okay, and brings me to my next question. I will come to you also, Surya, that how can somebody travel to Spiti budget friendly way?
Easy है, मनाली पहुंचो, मनाली से बस ले लो. Then from there you reach Kaza. Then you can just walk to villages. Like it's so beautiful. You can just walk instead of taking a car. Should definitely walk, hitchhike, meet people. It's just beautiful the way.
And you, Surya?
यार अगर मैं ऐसे बोलूँगी कि कौन सी जगह फेवरेट है तो बाकियों के लिए सही नहीं होगा. So I can't compare the places, but yeah, अगर लैंडस्केप के पर्सपेक्टिव से I'll go, so I'll prefer Kashmir in every season. And अगर इनर पीस चाहिए, थोड़ा शांति चाहिए तो I will prefer बनारस.
अरे वाह,
मेरी फेवरेट जगह.
And now the most asked questions to all influencers. How do you make money out of your content?
I wouldn't know how do I earn, but I do know that you need to make yourself niched. Like what you're doing, it should be like not generic. Then only you can stand out. You have to stand out from the crowd.
And you?
So for that, you have to be unique. Your content should be unique, and followers and algorithm. To be very honest, for big brand, it doesn't matter.
So don't follow the trend is something.
No, follow the trend,
But in your own way.
style.
In your style. Yeah, you should try this drink. This is really nice.
काफी देर से गला सूख रहा है.
So basically, as you know कि हम लोग हार्ड रॉक में बैठे हैं. So हार्ड रॉक में वर्ल्ड बर्गर टूर हो रहा है. So 300 all over the globe जितने भी cafes हैं हार्ड रॉक के, they've selected 5 top hero burgers, जिसमें से ये 2 we have presented you, Bengaluru and Kathmandu. So do try them. So I've done my research and मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा स्टॉक किया आप दोनों को, और मैंने देखा कि आप दोनों ने अभी रिसेंटली 2 बहुत ही इनक्रेडिबल चीज़ें करी है. आपने हिडन वैलीज ढूंढी है कश्मीर में, राइट? तो हम उसके बारे में बात करते हैं. एंड यू डिड स्काई डाइविंग.
Yes.
अमेजिंग. माउंट एवरेस्ट के बाद स्काई डाइविंग. यू जस्ट वांट टू, अब स्पेस में कब जा रहे हो ये बताओ.
पापा बोल रहे हैं जाएगी, बेटी मेरी जाएगी.
सो टेल मी योर एक्सपीरियंस स्काई डाइविंग का कैसा था?
I think I have done Everest. उसके बाद से ना सब कुछ बहुत हल्का फील होता है. I've done the best. But then जब वो jump का time है ना, I looked down. I was like, okay, this is my time. And without even like, I didn't had time to process it, and we jumped. Okay. I was not scared. It was beautiful. Those, I think 10 seconds were probably like matching the level of my Everest feeling and that thing, but only 10 seconds. But it was super fun.
Amazing. And what about you?
अगर अभी हम देखें कि न्यूजीलैंड जाते हैं, आइसलैंड जाते हैं for that lupins and all, and I have like gone through the few pictures and all. So I saw कि गुलमर्ग में भी है वो चीज़ें and exactly same है. So that is the thing. So वो सारी चीज़ें मुझे देखनी थी, तो I went there and I saw it. Very nice.
तो जैसे आप दोनों ने बोला कि अपना कंटेंट क्रिएट करने के लिए आपको अपना नीश ढूंढना पड़ेगा. सो हाउ डू यू स्ट्रैटेजाइज कि मेरा ये जो कंटेंट पीस मैं बनाने वाली हूँ वो 1 मिलियन तक जाएगा या मास ऑडियंस तक ये कंटेंट मैं भेजूंगी, और इज इट जस्ट अबाउट कि आई नीड टू क्रिएट एन एक्सक्लूसिव कंटेंट पीस?
I think for me, it's more about creating meaningful content and thinking about ki how it's gonna help the audience who is gonna consume it.
And what about you, Suraj?
Same, agree with Prakriti. So, and in fact जब मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एफर्ट लगा के कोई रील बनाती हूँ तो वो वायरल ही नहीं होती.
The algorithm.
For me, people know me like for photography,
Yeah.
frames, and how aesthetically I
Present
represent the pictures and videos, location. And I have explored like almost all India, all the states of India.
ट्रैवलिंग की जब भी बात होती है, सस्टेनेबल ट्रैवल और टूरिज्म की बात ज़रूर होती है. सो व्हाट आर योर पर्सनल टेक्स अबाउट सस्टेनेबल ट्रैवल एंड टूरिज्म?
Avoid over tourism. Carry a water bottle. Don't buy plastic bottles. Things like that, which are very small, but it definitely helps you. Yeah, helps you and the environment altogether.
What about you, Suraj?
Same like प्रकृति. और हाँ, जैसे कि मैं बहुत सारे aesthetic shots लेती हूँ for with different dresses. So guys, please अपने कपड़ों को reuse करना सीखो.
I think so that's a positive note to end this conversation here. But we have really interesting games lined up for both of you. आपका GK टेस्ट होगा और हम आपसे बहुत सारी internal gossips लेंगे कि आपने वो किया है या नहीं. So we have 2 games and it's going to be interesting. पहला पार्ट थोड़ा आपकी GK से रिलेटेड है और दूसरा पार्ट थोड़े सीक्रेट्स रिवील करने हैं. वो कैसे खेलनी है वो मैं आपको सेकंड सेक्शन में बताऊंगी. So you have to answer कि ये जो cities हैं ये कहाँ पर लोकेटेड हैं. ओके, और ये जो cities हैं यहाँ पर हार्ड रॉक कैफेज भी सिचुएटेड हैं. बट बिफोर दैट आप दोनों को कोई एक साउंड चूज करनी है. सो whoever wants to answer that, they have to make that sound.
Me is मैं.
Take another animal. Okay, Cool. Are you guys ready?
Yes, मैं.
Okay. So where is Dubai located?
मैं. UAE.
Very nice. Where is Kyoto located?
Mew. Mew mew.
Mew.
First her.
अरे यार shit. Japan.
Where is Paris located?
मैं. Shit, France.
Great. Where is London located?
मैं.
UK.
Where is Berlin located?
Mew. Europe.
मैं.
So Germany. Shit.
Last. Where is Barcelona located?
मैं. Spain.
Very nice.
Three all.
Okay, great. So we're gonna skip to our next. तो आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे ये शॉट्स ग्लासेस तुम्हारे सामने क्यों हैं? So these are coffee shots. अब मैं आपसे कुछ सवाल पूछूंगी. अगर आपने वो चीज करी हुई होगी तो आपको ये शॉट पीना है. अगर नहीं करी होगी तो you don't have to drink this shot. Have you ever hitchhiked? Amazing. Have you ever left someone in between of your trip because they were irritating?
Oh yes.
Okay, इसकी कहानी मुझे जाननी है बाद में. Have you ever went on a hike or to any location which was not legally allowed but you still trespassed it?
No.
Where? Where?
Sorry, I can't disclose. That's all.
And the last question. Have you ever done something just to get views?
Never.
No.
Love these travel influencers. And here we end our game. I hope you liked it.
It was fun.
I hope you liked the conversation that we had. It was very insightful for me as well. And I'm sure it will be very insightful for the viewers.
It was amazing.
It was amazing. Yeah. You did it well and it was well organized. So, nice.
Perfect. Thank you so much.